Business Model Canvas, BMC. Build a real business, a step-by-step interactive class. Most people don't fail in business because they are lazy. They fail because they never actually build the business. They just think about it, watch videos, write ideas, dream, but never structure anything. So today, we're doing something different. This is not just a video. This is a class. By the end of this session, you will not just understand business, you will have designed one. Before we continue, pause this video, get a notebook, or open a document, because throughout this session, you will be building your own business model canvas, not theory, reality. Part 1. What is BMC? The Business Model Canvas is a one-page blueprint that shows how your business creates value, how it delivers value, and how it makes money. 9 blocks, 1 system, total clarity. It is a strategic management tool used to visualize, design, and analyze a business model on a single page, created by Alexander Osterwalder and Yves Pinier. It breaks down a business into 9 building blocks that describe how an organization creates, delivers, and captures value. Casework. Let's begin. Write this at the top of your page. My business idea. Now answer. What business are you trying to build? If you don't have one, create a simple idea right now. Pause the video, think, decide, write. The 9 building blocks. The canvas is typically divided into 3 main themes: desirability, customer-facing, feasibility, operational infrastructure, and viability, finances. 1. Desirability, the right side. A. Customer segments, the specific groups of people or organizations the business aims to serve. Example, mass market, niche, or segmented. Every business starts with people, not products. People. Your customer segment is who you are serving. If your answer is everyone, you have already failed. Casework. Now write, my target customer. Answer clearly. Who exactly is this person? Age range? Income level? What problem are they facing? Be specific. Clarity creates money. Pause and write. B. Value proposition. The unique products or services that solve a customer problem or satisfy a need. Now we go deeper. Why should this customer choose you? Not your competitor, not alternatives. You. Your value proposition is your weapon. Casework. Complete this sentence. I help customer to solve problem by your solution. Example. I help busy professionals eat healthy by delivering ready-made nutritious meals. Now create yours. Pause, think, write. B. Channels. How the business communicates and reaches its customers to deliver the value proposition. Example, websites, stores, or partners. Even the best business dies in silence. If nobody sees it, it doesn't exist. Channels are how you reach your customers. Casework. Now write, how will customers find me? List at least 3 channels: social media, word of mouth, ads, physical location. Don't overthink, just choose. Customer relationships. The types of interactions the business establishes with each segment, such as personal assistance, self-service, or automated services. Getting customers is expensive. Keeping them is profitable. Relationships determine whether people come back or disappear forever. Classwork 5. Answer. How will I keep my customers? Will you follow up, build a community, offer loyalty rewards? Write your strategy. 2. Feasibility, the left side. A. Key activities. The most important actions a company must take to operate successfully. Example, production, problem solving, or platform maintenance. Now let's get real. What must you do daily to make this business work? not dreams, actions. Classwork 6. Write, my business must consistently do. List 3 to 5 key activities. If you stop doing these, the business dies. B. Key resources. The essential assets required to make the business model work, including physical, intellectual, human, and financial resources. No resources, no business. Simple. Classwork 7. Write, what do I need to operate? Examples: money, skills, equipment, team. Be honest. Classwork 8. Write, who can help me? Suppliers, friends, experts. List potential partners. 3. Viability. The bottom. A. Revenue streams. How the business generates income from each customer segment, such as through asset sales, subscriptions, or licensing. Now the big question. How do you make money? Classwork 9. Write, how will I earn? One-time sales, subscription, multiple streams. Choose clearly. B. Cost structure. All major costs incurred while operating the business, including fixed and variable expenses. Money going out matters as much as money coming in. Final classwork. Write, my main costs are. What will you spend money on? Keep it simple. What are the key benefits? Simplicity and clarity. Condenses complex business plans into a visual one-page document. Collaboration. Acts as a shared language for teams to brainstorm and align on strategy. Adaptability. Allows for rapid iteration and testing of assumptions, which is central to the lean startup movement. Look at what you've just done. Most people watch business content and forget it in 10 minutes. But you built something. A structure, a system, a real business model. This is how real entrepreneurs think, not in ideas, but in systems. And now, you are one of them. If you followed this class properly, you now have something most people don't, a real business structure. Now don't stop here. Take it one step further. Download the free Business Model Canvas worksheet in the description and refine what you just built into something real. And if you want more sessions like this, where we break down business like a real-world MBA, then subscribe to Real World Business School. Because here, we don't just talk business, we build it.